Welcome back to Kansas Mom Saves, or welcome if you're new. I just kind of wanted to make a video about kind of my progress from last year and my goals this year. I know it's already February, but you know, I've already had these goals and plans. It's just I'm finally getting time to video them. So I finished a whole lot of Christmas challenges and vacation challenges, and I had a lot of fun doing it, and just seeing all this progress I made just makes me so happy that I just did all these. And you know, that was from starting at the beginning of the year. You know, other people have more, but I feel really good about my progress here. So I'm gonna get these cleaned up, and then I will be back with my goals. Okay, like magic, here we are, cleaned up. So here are my goals for this year. These are very basic. Like, I have one that has line by line, but I figured that would be really boring. But it's in the same kind of template as I used for this. So my first goal is to pay off at least 2 credit cards. So I have a Chase one that's about 2,000 something, and then another Chase one that's 9,000 something. So those are my highest interest debts, and then we have 2 more that are 0 interest that have been used for remodeling and stuff. So I want to do more than this, but my second goal kind of inhibits that currently. So our second goal is to finish the remodel on the bathrooms and laundry and the minimum for the kitchen so we can move into the new house, because that will instantly save us like at least $600. Our rent, we're renting from my father-in-law, so it's only $300, but you know, utilities and trash and water is, you know, for 2 places, that's a lot. So that will save us a lot to move, and then we can throw that all at our other goal. Because we're gonna have built-ins for my father-in-law, and like there's just like other money-saving things that are happening. So, you know, a lot of this can go to here, but some of it will be going to the remodel. And then I want to grow my channel by 500 subscribers, up to 500 subscribers. But I'm really having a hard time getting to 100, so I don't know. We'll see, I guess. I'm almost to 100, and I have a mini set that I'm going to release when we get there. And I'm so excited because it's like monthly. There's 12-month thing. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Okay. And then my next one it's kind of 3-in-1. So I want my emergency fund to be up to $1,200. I want to add 500 to medical because I already have an FSA, but like just to get to the amount of our deductible per person is 500, and then 2,000 to vacation, but I think we'll be over that. But I'm going to be using a little bit this weekend for a run, a race, and it's far away, but I need lots of fuel and stuff. It's a trail race, so it requires a little bit more thought and money to do stuff, and then you have parking stuff. Well, yeah. So, and then my last goal is no buy for 6 months. So, January was a little rough. Let me actually get it and I'll show you. So I did really good at the beginning, and then this week was rough. It was on my like 7 days in a row weeks. And then this week also was my 5-day off week. And then again, the 7 days. So it's like cyclical. So I'm hoping February will already be better. But, so this came in a 3-pack January, February, March from Hey Budgets. So I have the second one printed out and cut up, but I can't find it. So I will have to keep looking for it. But we already spent, let's see, Saturday was the 1st. So I spent money, yeah, those 2 whole days because it was nice outside and my kids wanted, but ice cream, to go to the park, and yeah, so we just had a good time since, you know, the whole week before I was working, and yeah. So just 6 out of the 12 months, I want to have, you know, at least 90% or more no spend, because, you know, I'm working 2 jobs so that we can do gazelle intensity and pay off our debt, because that's not a lot. It doesn't even seem like a lot, but that is only like a third of our debt. Credit card and loan wise, for pretty much all for the house. But you know, it is what it is. Because we couldn't get, like, for some reason we couldn't get a mortgage like that was more than what our house was worth. I mean, obviously that makes sense, but for some reason we thought we could, to do the upgrades, but we just kind of had to figure out how to do it otherwise. So yeah, that's all about this remodel right now. But you know, our first house we remodeled, it took us 5 years, but we also had a kid right in the middle of it. So our first, so that was a big change, but it was nowhere near the intensity of this one. The first one was like wallpaper removal. We moved like a closet out of the way, and we did wood floors, like, and painting. That's pretty much what we did. And we installed a new banister around the staircase also. But that was my father-in-law. He's kind of an engineer, so he really figured it out. It was really pretty. And it was bars. Like, I'll have to show you a picture because I loved it a lot. Because you walked in the front door and it was like just a closet right in your face. Like, so we took that out, and then you could see over the banister of the staircase to the fireplace and the whole living room. It was, yeah, way better. But this time is walls and pipes and just literally everything. The ceilings, the attic, we had to get a whole new heating system, and yeah, it's insane. And we're doing a master conversion from the garage, so it's just a big test this time, which we will not ever do again. I told my husband, it's like, he loves doing this stuff, but I'm like, dude, I'm out. So anyway, sorry. These are my goals, and I'm hoping we can get through most of them this year, but we will see. Yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video, which will probably be vacation binder. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.